Welcome to our channel. In today's fast-paced world, finding the time to cook meals every day can be a challenge. This is where meal prepping comes to the rescue. Number 1 ideas: chicken and vegetable stir fry. Marinate bite-sized chicken pieces in soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Stir fry with colorful bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Serve with cooked quinoa or brown rice. Number 2 ideas: mason jar salads. Layer your favorite salad ingredients in mason jars for easy grab-and-go lunches. Start with dressing at the bottom, then add veggies, protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas, and finish with leafy greens on top. Number 3 ideas: pasta with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Cook your favorite pasta and toss it with store-bought pesto sauce. Add halved cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Portion into containers for ready-to-eat meals. Number 4 ideas: Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer Greek yogurt with mixed berries, granola, and a drizzle of honey. Repeat the layers and seal in containers. Enjoy these for breakfast or as a snack. Number 5 ideas: overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with milk, curry, or plant-based, a touch of honey or maple syrup, and your favorite toppings like sliced bananas, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and grab it for breakfast. Number 6 ideas: quick bento box. Fill compartments of a bento box with sliced deli meats, cheese cubes, whole grain crackers, baby carrots, and a small container of hummus or nut butter. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel